Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you want to treat that special man in your life, then you are going to want to get him this incredible whiskey infusion kit.
BearSkill has lovingly curated the most incredible whiskey infusion kit. This makes the perfect gift for that man in your life who probably has everything because he can craft something unique to him. My husband and I chose to make a orange ginger bourbon and he was so excited to be able to try out his creation and it came out so incredible. What is so wonderful about this is there is a limitless amount of concoctions that you can make and this is the gift that will keep on giving and giving. I was just so happy to see the smile that this drink put on his face, and I cannot wait to see what he comes up with next. It is such a perfect gift.
If you are looking to infuse a little bit of joy into that special man in your life's day, then you are going to want to get this whiskey infusion kit. They're going to love it. And that's my point of view.